Hello, so I wanted to apologize ahead of time for the audio. It's the first time me doing a headshot of myself, and the only microphone I have is this Blue Yeti. I still don't have an actual mic arm for it, so I decided to just hold it in front of my face, and you're gonna hear a lot of knocking in the audio, which I apologize ahead of time. I promise for the next video I will have a mic arm so it sounds a lot better, and hopefully there's not that much knocking. But anyways, hopefully you enjoy the video, and hopefully it's not too distracting. Welcome to today's video. Today we are heading out to Portland on my bike after not being on my bike for a while, especially because if you don't know Oregon, it's raining 9 months out of the year and 3 months of blasting sun and forests burning down to the ground. So yeah, a great contrast. So it was kind of sunny outside. I decided to grab my bike and head out with my usual gear of a Canon A1 with a little bit of Cinestill 400D that I had never used before. So it's the first time I really experiment with this film. If you don't know a lot about it or anything about Cinestill film, they do have these halations in the highlights where you get this weird red blob where you have most of your highlights, which can come for a really interesting image if you like the halations. If you don't, then you're gonna hate them, basically. When I was framing this image and a biker came through, I felt like it was going to be a great image. I had really high hopes for this image, and it's not a bad image. It's not bad by any means. It's just not good either. I don't know what it is with this bridge. I don't know if it was because of the film, because it was noon and the sun was high up in the sky giving this trash illumination, or maybe I just suck at composing, but I just do not like these images. They have nothing interesting in them. I also found on my way, I found this little nice beach. This is a really famous river here in Oregon that's called the Willamette River that crosses basically right through the middle of Portland. I thought these photos were gonna look really nice, especially with the city as the background, or kind of like the backdrop of the image. But it's not, it doesn't really look that great. I can't explain why. The one I do really like is this photo of the houses in the background, for kind of framed by the trees and with a little ramp coming down. I really like this image. I like the composition, I like the setting of it. So I took a photo with my digital camera with my Sony a6000, and I really like this photo. I like the colors more of the film, however with the digital camera, right as I was taking out the digital camera there was a boat coming by, so it does look really good with a boat there crossing through the river, which gives it an extra touch that I like. So I prefer that composition in digital, but I like the colors more of film. See, one of it is just has a black square, but we'll get back to that in a second. So I've been having this issue with my Canon A1 with the shutter clipping. To what I have understood, it usually happens at higher shutter speeds, usually at 1/500th or 1,000th of a second. So that's why a lot of these shots are clipped out and have this weird black box. And I have understood I need to go get CLA'd, but instead of getting it CLA'd, I bought another camera because you never have enough cameras. I ended up buying a Nikon FE2, and so I just bought a 35mm lens for it, and I'm excited because it goes up to 1/4000th of a second, which is way too fast, more than I will ever need, but it's nice to know that I have that option. But yeah, look out for this new camera in the videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me in a bike ride. I want to try to include my bike a little bit more in the videos. I just enjoy biking, and this is a good excuse to go and bike around for a little bit and record as I go and take some photos and stuff like that. So if you guys enjoy the bike rides, let me know and I can continue doing some of those videos. I'm also working on, I had already mentioned this in a previous video, where I want to do a little bit of history inside my videos and what the history means, what it's done for society, and kind of frame it on how I view it. I'm already working on my first one, first history video that includes history. I hope you guys enjoy that. But keep an eye out for it. I should be posting videos every 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, depending on how busy I am. But yeah, if you enjoy it, please subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you want. Let me know if you have any ideas, any suggestions for the videos. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.